Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Lost your ONNTV remote? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on your ONNTV without a remote. It's super easy, and you won't need any special tools. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Locate the power button on the TV. Most ONNTVs have a physical power button located directly on the TV. It's usually found along the bottom edge, on the back, or the side of the screen. Take a moment to inspect your TV and look for a small panel with buttons. Step 2. Use the power button. Once you've found the power button, simply press it, and your TV should turn on. Hold it for a second or two if it doesn't respond immediately. Step 3. Use a smartphone app. But what if your power button isn't working or you want to do more, like control the volume or change channels? Here's where your smartphone comes in handy. Download a universal remote app, like the Roku remote app, if your ONNTV uses Roku OS. Pair your phone with the TV using the same .Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can turn your TV on and access many remote features. Step 4. Replace the remote. While these methods are great for quick fixes, it's always a good idea to get a replacement remote for long-term convenience. You can find a universal remote or a specific on-replacement remote online or in stores. Conclusion. And that's it. Whether you use the physical power button or a smartphone app, turning on your ONNTV without a remote is simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more handy tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.